Hey everybody, how's it going? Today is my time to unboxing my brand new smartphone, Xiaomi Redmi Note 10. This is my new smartphone, and of course I'm going to show you unboxing and just small review for this phone. And so without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so here's the box of the Redmi Note 10. It's a brand new, of course. And this one has a 6GB of RAM, 128GB of storage. My one is pebble white, and this one color, and this green is also nice. It has a three color: pebble white, green, and gray color. So I took this pebble white. It's the original Xiaomi Redmi Note 10. Redmi Note 10. Yeah. Sorry. So now let's unbox it. Here's the phone. And also I got a free gift. Is this I Love Me keychain. Very cute. So here's the phone. Redmi Note 10. 6.43 inch AMOLED dot display. Dual speaker, of course. 33 watt fast charging. 5000 mAh battery. Snapdragon 678. 48 megapixel quad camera. Ultra wide, also macro lens. Redmi by Xiaomi. Very nice. Ultra premium. Chrome at the side. Type C, of course. Also it has a dual speaker that, like I mentioned just now. IR blaster also have. Alright, so let's put that phone away first, and let's see what's inside the box. So actually inside here have a two manual book as well as the clear case. Just remove this one. Also you got this SIM tray pin. Here's the Redmi Note 10 user guide, also warranty card. This is the clear case. Cool. What do I get inside the box? Only the cable and this adapter, and this adapter is 33 watt. Also this cable wire is same as my Redmi Note 7, no different at all. Type C, USB. Quite heavy for this one because it has a 33 watt. Imagine if this one 120 watt, way more bigger and quite heavy. Very nice. Alright, so the phone itself already been set up just now, and the phone already been set. As you can see, here's the phone. Side fingerprint, volume up and down, chrome at the side. SIM tray, also chrome. SIM tray holder, hole. Type C speakers, 3.5mm headphone jack, as well as this mic. At the top it has speakers, the second speaker, IR blaster, and
what you call this, mic, yeah. 48 megapixel camera. It has a 4 camera, macro, ultra wide, and depth camera. LED flash, ultra premium, Redmi. So yeah, here's the lock screen, and of course it has a AMOLED screen, fingerprint at the side, very fast. But my Redmi Note 7 way more faster than this. My Redmi Note 7 has a rear fingerprint. Here's the home screen, MIUI version. The UI exactly same as my Redmi Note 7, of course. This is MIUI 12 version. Not bad. So before I end of this video, you can give a feedback for my brand new Redmi Note 7. I mean Redmi Note 10. Yeah, sorry for my mistake. Yeah, in the comment down below. And so that's all for me. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you on next video. Goodbye and have a nice day.